Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create mouse macros on your Corsair M65 RGB Ultra. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and press on the mouse. Once you press on the mouse in your iCUE, what you guys want to do is here we have something called key assignments. So for example, you can choose the random thing right here. You can add an assignment, you can add a macro, and as you guys can see here, you can choose where you want to put your macro on. So I'll put it here in the middle click, and now we're going to press the record button and press whatever we want on our macro. So it is just recording now. As you guys can see, it also records our keys. So now I'll stop recording, and here we have our macro. So it's on the middle click, so let's go over and press it. As you guys can see, it's just typing some nonsense that I've spammed, but I'm not clicking it, and it's just a macro doing it. So we can do that. Of course, we can do that again. VGG, VGH, VG, VGH. So that's how it looks like. You guys can just click it and click it, and that's how it works. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.